Preparing for the CA Intermediate exam? Here's how you can ace it. Step 1. Understand the syllabus. Get familiar with ACAI's official syllabus to know exactly what to expect. Step 2. Create a plan. Break down the syllabus into manageable monthly, weekly, and daily targets. Stick to it. Step 3. Focus on ICAI material. Prioritize study modules, practice manuals, and past question papers for targeted preparation. Step 4. Practice writing. Solve mock tests regularly to improve your speed and accuracy. It makes a huge difference on exam day. Step 5. Analyze performance. After every test, identify your weak areas and work on them during your revision. Step 6. Stay healthy. A proper diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep will keep your mind and body exam ready. Success in the CA Inter exam is about preparation and perseverance. You've got this.